Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to record this quick case study video on how one of my students did well over $20,000 in the last 3 months. So he's joined my one-on-one mentorship back in August. So right now is January. In the last 3 months he did well over $22,000. So his channel is consistently making money right now, and I want to share the analytical report with you all. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So before that, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel and never been to this channel before, make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video because I'll be answering all your questions. And do leave a like on this video guys, because it can really help me grow on YouTube. And do subscribe for more videos like this. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's look at the numbers. So you can see here, this is the channel I was talking about, and it's a brand new channel. So this is not my channel, this is not owned by me. So it's completely owned by a student who recently joined. So he joined the training back in August, and right now is January. So the last 2 months his channel really blown up, and you can see here in the last 20 days he got around 19,000 subscribers, because this channel is started from scratch, totally from 0 subscribers. And in the last 48 hours is getting around 180,000 views. So this is the average he's getting around. So per 24 hours he's getting around like 90,000 views. So let's look at the overall numbers. So you can see here in the last 28 days he got 1 million views. So usually on YouTube you're going to get paid at least like $2,000 to $3,000 per million views, because that's the normal numbers on YouTube. But we follow some steps to maintain high CPM on these type of niches, and we're getting paid a really good amount of money. So you'll see the overall numbers. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So you can see he got around like 16,000 subscribers in the last 28 days, because a couple of his videos were doing really well. It's not a viral type videos, it's a evergreen type videos, and mostly the views are going to be stable, and he's going to get good amount of revenue from this YouTube channel. So let's look at the numbers. So you can see he did $21,000 guys in the last 28 days, almost $1,000 days. So let's look at the views and revenue. So you can see so that's the peak on his YouTube channel. On December 28th he did around $2,600. So you can see 2,100 and 1,700, 1,300, 200 and 1,300, 1,625, because on this particular niche he's getting paid around like $30 CPM. So that's the reason he's getting paid a lot of money. So you can see like for million views he got paid $20,000. So on other YouTube channels you only gonna get paid like maybe $1 CPM or $5 CPM. So it's not the niche. The way we make content is totally unique. So that's the reason YouTube is paying us high CPM rates and a lot of good advertisements on our videos. When it comes to YouTube, they look at your videos, and they look at many different factors to give you a lot of high quality advertisements on your videos. So you need to have very good quality content on your channel, plus the average video duration should be around like 7+ minutes, and the CTR should be very important, because CTR is everything on YouTube, and you should hit around like 7+ on CTR. So this channel did everything right, and it went viral. So pretty much that's what we teach inside the training, on how to create high CTR thumbnails and how to create high quality type videos, so the average video duration will be very good on your YouTube channel. So these are the small metrics YouTube algorithm really looks at it, and so this is the results. So you can see in the month of December he did $20,000. So let's also change this number, so you can see that this is not some fake screenshot or else some Photoshop or element tricks. So let me change that to last 7 days. So you can clearly see the numbers are changing, like 9,500 is what he made in the last 7 days. So this is the views, and this is the watch hours. So 8K subscribers, and let me change that to lifetime. So you can see he started his channel brand new on August, and you can see on the month of October he got monetized, because we follow certain methods to monetize our YouTube channel really fast. So on YouTube it's going to take at least 7 to 10 months to get monetized, because you need to reach certain requirements to get monetized. So your channel should be eligible to get monetized. So the content you make also very important, because reviewers will look at your content, and they will enable your channel for monetization. And you also need to hit 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 hours of watch time. So we follow certain methods to fast forward that. So he started his channel back in August, and on September he got monetized, and he started putting his work, and during like December he started seeing some results. So you can see he got 18,000 subscribers during this period, and even he made the entire money in the last 3 months. So he got 1.2 million. That's the overall numbers. So let's also look at the playback CPM and the RPM numbers on this YouTube channel. So let me change that to December. So you can see December is the biggest month on this YouTube channel. So it's January and it's around like 6th. We haven't completed this month yet. So in the month of Jan, he did so far $4,000. Still there's a lot of days to go. So he will at least reach around like $10,000 or $15,000. So let me go back to 2020. So you can see in the month of December, he got around like $40 CPM. So on average, this YouTube channel has around $30 CPM. So in December, the CPM went up 70% and it was around like $40. And so that's the reason he was getting paid like a lot of money for the million views. So this is the RPM. So RPM is the real number you're going to get paid from YouTube. So this is not the real number. So this is the real number you're going to get paid from YouTube. So $23 is what he's getting paid from YouTube for every 1,000 views. In my channel, we're getting paid around like $25 to $27 per 1,000 views. Pretty much it's same. So let's also look at the numbers on how much it did on November. So let me change that to November. So you can see in the month of November, he did $297. If I go back, you'll see $0 because this channel is started from scratch. So you can see the difference. In the month of January right now, it's doing around like $4,000. So I don't promise such results in such short term, because this channel went viral because the student is doing really good job on creating the content, and the CTR is really good on this YouTube channel. So that's the reason it went viral. So the quality of the content is also very good on this YouTube channel, and he's following the entire steps we taught on the training, and he's also doing some improvement, and he also doing some split testing on the content. So it's not only about the niche or about the content creation, it's also about how consistently you're publishing content to the channel. So let me change that to lifetime. So you can see all these dots, right? So this means he's publishing a lot of content every single day. So let me change that to December. So you can see so every single day he's trying to publish one content. So it's really hard to publish content by yourself. So you can also hire someone. So in this case, he's working with his friends to make the content, and he's really doing very good job on that. So pretty much that's it, guys. So these are the results he did, and so a couple of my other students also doing well, and I'll also make more videos on other students' results like these. So if you're interested, just send me a message on Facebook, and you can also join the training. So it's not going to be quick results like this. So it will definitely take time. So this channel did very well because the guy who joined the training, he did a very good job on creating content and creating high CTR thumbnails. So you can also expect to do these numbers. So I don't promise such good numbers in such short term, because it's really not possible to everyone. So you need to put in the work. At least try to have this mindset of starting a YouTube channel right now and being successful by December or next January, because that's very important, guys, because everything will take time to build up. Short-term success won't stay forever, so it will take time to build up. So have this in mind, and if you're interested, just reach me on Facebook. We can also take in a couple more students for this month, and mostly by February I'll be increasing the price, and I hope I have told that in the last video. So these are the results, and mostly I'll be making more videos like this. And if you're totally new to this channel, do subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.